Ladder coming through, ladder coming through.
Shake, shake, shake. We're going to demonstrate this 2-minute drill.
CTE works for me.
What excites me about the fire science program is being able to work with real firefighters and being able to learn the things that they learn and also apply it to what I want to do.
We learn about the basics of what firefighters learn as well to become what they are.
We do a lot of hands-on work, but at the same time we do a lot of book work and a lot of studying.
You learn fire suppression, search and rescue.
We learn about our PPE, about the safety of what we have on.
Chemicals that are in the fire, how you could prevent yourself from being exposed to those chemicals.
It really feels like you're making a difference when you learn these things.
I joined this program because I actually wanted to be a firefighter.
I want to be a travel nurse. So I feel like with certifications that I'm getting with this, it could put me a step closer.
At the end of the program, you do get certified.
We get Firefighter 1 certifications, we get hazardous material certification, and then our senior year we get a Firefighter 2 certification, and we also get an EMR certification.
I thought the program was going to be easy. I thought we wasn't going to do no workouts and nothing like that.
You're on the hose line, and you're going to do a right-hand search through this container.
Coming here, I thought it was gonna be like the regular PE class, like something slight, something easy. But when I got here, it was like football practice, like something very intense.
This program gives me a sense of purpose because it feels like I can save someone. It feels like I can be there for someone and help them.
This summer, I will be involved in the Summer Youth and Rescue Program, and I will go on call with one of the fire departments here.
A good candidate for this program is somebody who is dedicated, somebody who's disciplined.
Someone who is hardworking, very determined.
Someone who has pride, someone who carries itself well.
And somebody who's willing to do whatever it takes to be successful.
If you consider this program and it's something you want to do, go into it with a great mindset.
You're going to be one of very few people in the school with this uniform, with this fire science knowledge.
This program can set you up for things that you don't even know you could do.
It's really just a good thing to do.
It gives you pride that you are able to do these things. CTE works for me.